Good morning, kids. Today we are going to learn the months of Christian calendar. There are total 12 months in a year. First month is January, which is the first month. Okay. After that, second is February, which is the shortest month of the year. It has 28 or 29 days. Then third month is March. Okay, then the next fourth one is April, which is the fourth month. Okay, now next is after April. Can you please tell me the next month? Yes, good. May. Then next will be June. Then next will be July. So see once again, first month is January, second one is February, third month is March, fourth month is April, fifth one is May, sixth one is June, then July, then it will be August. On 15th August we used to celebrate our Independence Day, right? 15th. Then after it is the 8th month, 9th will be September. Remember the name and the order, huh? 9th month, then October, 10th, then November, and the last month of the year is December. So these are the 12 months of the year. Okay, so now next one I'm going to show you how to write the date. Okay, now see, I have already written a date format. Generally when you're writing, you always write date first. Suppose today's date is 23, that is the date. Then means month, so it is 12th month, means December. And it means year, so year is 2020. जिसको हम कभी बोल नहीं सकते. Okay, and if you don't want to write it full form, you can write like this also, okay, 23 or 23rd December, that means 2020. Or in some places they are using this format. Why means they will write first year, कौन सा साल है, then they will write month, and they will write last date opposite of this. Okay, so this will be like this. Okay, 2020, month will be 12 as it is, and date will be 23rd. So in some places they are writing like this also, but generally we are following this format of date. Okay, now today we are going to learn about birth certificate, and on the basis of this we will answer the question which are given here. So it is question number 2, which is given on 117 page. Answer the questions on the basis of birth certificate. It is very important document we all are having. And who issue? Municipal corporation वो इशू करती है, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट हमारे. What is mentioned there in the बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट कौन से चीज़ें होता है, सबसे पहले चीज़ जिसका बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट है उसका नेम होता है कि हियर इफ विल सी रितेश सुरेश कुमार प्रजापति इज द पर्सन जिसका बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट। देन सेक्स कि वो मेल है, बॉय है या गर्ल, इफ इट इज ओके गिवन ओवर हियर कि मेल मीन्स बॉय एंड फीमेल मीन्स गर्ल। दैन नेक्स्ट विल बी डेट ऑफ बर्थ, डेट सी दिस इज द डेट, month and year. Okay, so third, seventh month means July 2019. Then place Ahmedabad, father name, then mother name, then address permanent address कहाँ के वो है, then date of जब म्यूनसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन में जब हम जाते हैं रजिस्ट्रेशन करते हैं उस दिन, लास्ट वन इज रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर आर हियर sign and that stamp आता है, right? Now see the first question, रितेश बर्थ डेट इज, तो रितेश की बर्थ डेट ये रही थर्ड, देन मंथ बर्थ मंथ इज, मंथ है देर यू राइट हियर इन वर्ड जुलाई, or you can write in number also, I am writing here in word, and the birth year, so you can see birth year 2009, here also you can write in word also. Then next is Ritesh father's name is, so find out where is Ritesh, yes Suresh Kumar, see पापा का नाम सुरेश कुमार प्रजापति. The next blank is mother's name is, so Hethalben Prajapati. And the birthplace, see the birthplace, कहाँ पे जन्मा है वो, अहमदाबाद. Okay, now next, how many month old will Ritesh be on 13th December 2009? जन्मा कब था, in July, and here the month is 12th means December. Okay, so हमें सिर्फ यहाँ पे पूछा है मंथ्स पूछा है, तो सिर्फ मंथ्स का सब्ट्रैक्शन करो. ओके, तो 12 माइनस 7, so आंसर विल बी 5. कितने मंथ्स ओल्ड होगा, ही विल बी 5 months. Okay, now how many years old will Ritesh be on? Now see here, they ask for the year, यहाँ पे months पूछा है, तो just see here, year 2015 में कितने साल का होगा, he was born in 2009, so just what you need to do, जो ये डेट है उसमें से ये डेट सब सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. So 2015 minus 2009. So borrow from here, 15 means 6, here will be 0, here will be 0, 2 minus 2. So he will be 6 years old. Okay, now how many years old will Ritesh be on 2054? So again we need to do, he was born in 2009, so 2054 minus 2009, this will be 4, this will be 14. Now 14 minus 9 means 5, this will be 4, 0, 0. So he will be 45 years old in 2054. So 45 years. Now on which date will रितेश be 10 years old? तो जो आपको डेट दी इसकी बर्थ डेट है जो 2009 ईयर में जन्मा था. ओके, सो इसमें कितने साल बड़ा होना चाहता है? 10 years. तो जो ये जो डेट दी गई और साल जो दिया उसमें आपको सिर्फ 10 साल ऐड करने हैं और हम साल ऐड करेंगे. सो आपको 2009 में ही ऐड कर. सो he will be 10 years old in 2019. जो साल आएगा उसमें वो 10 years का होगा. How many years old is Ritesh now? So he was born in, it will say birth date 2009 और अभी चल रहा है 2020. So 2020 minus 2009 if we do, we'll get this will be 11 years old. Okay, now see the next question on the next page. On what date will Ritesh be 15 years old? On what date? They are asking for the date. Okay, that you will do yourself now. Now after how many days of Ritesh's birth was the certificate issued? Okay, and what is the date of registration? So date of registration is, if you will see here, see 18th July 2009. So first you write down 18th July 2009. Okay, now see, he was born on 3rd July and the certificate was issued on 18th. Okay, so 18 minus 3 if you do, it will gives you 15 days. So कितने days? 15 days के बाद issue हुआ. And what is the registration number of this certificate? So see, registration number is 237/2009. So you write here 237/2009. The same question is here, third one, but that we'll do it later. Tomorrow we'll do it. Okay, bye, take care.